I am the richest woman. You know, it's good to have a long hair. This is about 22 inches and it comes straight right into my bust. It's really long, and guys, you can see it's really full. Can you guys see? It's so full. Wow, all this hair for me. Wow, and the prices are also very, very affordable. And it's very, very shiny. It's natural looking, and the smell is super, super good. Let me turn around for you guys to see. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Wow, wow. Do you like it? Do you like it? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And I'm also talking about the headband wig today as well. And this headband wig is super beautiful. It came from Wigenius Hair. This is a Wigenius headband wig package, and it's a machine made wig. It's a non-lace wig. Let me bring it out for you guys to see. And of course, it came with this beautiful headband. So you can use this headband for all colors. If you have red dress, if you have green dress, if you have yellow dress, you can still manage with this one as a gift from Wigenius Hair. The headband comes as a gift to you all. And then apart from that, we also have the wig right here. And this is a straight wig. It's a straight headband wig. Okay, it's a straight headband wig. Wow, this is super, super full. This is really full. And guys, you can see, let me comb it for you all to see. It's not shedding, it's not tangling. Very easy for me to comb. Guys, can you see? I'm combing the hair, but no tangles, no shirts at all. Can you guys see it? And headband wig is very, very affordable because of shortage of because of shortage of closures and frontals. Headband wig is really, really affordable. Lots of girls like this headband wig. This is how it looks. It can be used for your office. It can be used for church. It can be used as your daily wig or whatever you want to do with this wig. You can wash the wig, and it's really, really full. Can you guys see? It's really, really full. There's a lot of hair. That is a hair. Very, very full. It's really, really a lot. A lot. And as I'm running my fingers through the hair, you can see it's not shedding at all. With your fingers or even with the comb, it's not shedding. The hair doesn't shed. The hair doesn't tangle. You can perm the hair. You can change the hair. And it's very, very full. This wig is really a lot. It's a lot of hair, and the price is also very affordable. Okay, so guys, I'm going to put this wig on my head, and you only need less than 1 minute to install this wig right on your head. And this is also a gift to you from Wigenius Hair. I'm going to put this on my head, and then I'll also put this on my head, and then you guys, you see the final look. So I'm just going to do it right away in the camera. I'm not going to do it off the camera. So this is how the wig looks anyway, with the combs inside, with the adjustable strap. It's really good. It's really good. It's it's really, really good. I really like this hair. I like it. I love it. And the hair doesn't smell bad. It has got a very good smell, right? It has got a very good smell. It doesn't have any baby hair. Sorry, it doesn't have any short hair. No short hair. No short hair. The hair is really long. No flyaways. Nothing. Actually, the hair is good. Let me put the head on my head, the wig on my head, and let you guys see how it looks on my beautiful head. So this is how you hold the wig. You want to wear the wig, right? This is how you hold it. And then you go right here and put it on your head. And then you get it fixed right there at your back. Okay. You get it fixed right there at your back. Okay, so I have fixed the wig. And this is how it looks right here in front. So beautiful. And you can actually comb the hair. If you want it combed, you can comb the hair. You can comb the hair. You can actually apply heat to this hair, and nothing bad will happen to this hair. You can wash it, you can perm it. I'm telling you guys that you can use this hair for a very long time. And this is actually the gift that Wig Genius will give you because you purchase a headband wig. I'm going to put this also on my head for you all to see, okay? I'm going to put it on my head for you all to see. I want to identify it clearly and very well, and then I'll put it on my head and then you will see. Okay, so it goes right, okay, like that. Okay, you fix it from the back and then you put it, you get it to the front. Now when you get it to the front, there's a line here. This line must actually go to the back. Okay, it must go to the back, and then gently you pull the right thing in front. I'm with you guys right here. Okay, so you pull it right here in front and then you arrange it. Okay, you first arrange this and then you actually pull this one on top of it. Pull this one on top of it. Pull things on top and below. And it looks good. It doesn't look bad. It looks good, yeah. So this is exactly how the wig looks, and of course you can actually manipulate it anyhow you want, like I am doing now. And I'm going to take pictures and I'll be back with a final look. Keep watching. Mwah. Let me hear from you guys in the comment section. Anyways, don't forget the headband comes as a gift. It's a gift from Wigenius Hair. It comes as a separate gift, okay? And of course the prices are very affordable. Shipping is super fast. No shirts, no tangles. You can perm the hair, you can wash the hair, and headband wig is really trending this time. So if you haven't gotten yours, please go ahead and get it because it is in for a purpose, okay? To solve the problem of frontals and closures. All right, thank you guys. Thank you all for watching. Till I come your way next week. Mwah. Bye.